Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Step 2 Path. I am Pooja. Today I will let you know how Chinese product impact on Indian market. China is the India's largest trade partner, but we import more than we export, which means if the trade was stopped, we will feel the pinch in the domestic market as the price of previous imported product will rise. The impact of Chinese goods is affecting the market of India like a virus, as the Chinese goods are more cheaper than the Indian goods and quality of Chinese goods are poor compared to Indian goods. China is the top third trade partner of India after USA and UAE. As per a Brookings India report, the total amount of current and planned Chinese investment in India has crossed $26 billion, that is around rupees 1,98,000 crore. China-based companies are also stepping up their investment in the Indian companies, including startup. From China, India import goods in many industries, majorly chemicals, capital goods, machineries, electronics, consumer goods, whereas India export mainly raw material to China. You can see these are the items imported from China with the percentage of total imports from China. 32.02% of import from China accounted for electronic product, whereas 17.1% accounted for nuclear reactors, boilers, parts, 9.83% accounted for organic chemicals, 5.3% for fertilizer, 3.82% for iron and steel, 2.74% for plastic. There is a fight between made in China products versus made in India products. China export to India account for only 2% of its total export. So, even if Indian boycotts all goods imported from China, it will not make as big impact on China. Trade deficit increase every year between India-China trade. There are some products which are profitable if we import from China, such as electronic equipments, machineries, mobile phone, toys, etc. Made in China label is capturing all segments of Indian market at much cheaper price compared to Indian stuff. If I talk about some specific industries, India import over rupees 70,000 crore annually of smartphones and electronic gadgets. Chinese companies such as Oppo, Realme, OnePlus, Vivo, Xiaomi captures 51% of India's smartphone market. Coming to a solar industries, 84% of solar requirements of the National Solar Mission is met through import from China. Indian developers may face some shortfalls of raw materials needed in solar panels. Despite being one of the top formulation of drug exporter in the world, the pharma industries of India rely heavily on import as a bulk drug from China. China supplied over 80% of antibodies imported by India. A trade ban between these two nations would affect the medicine market adversely. India's total electronic import account for 45% of China. As a total value of over $18 billion, electronic imports formed a quarter of a total imports in February 2020. At last, I will suggest that India must look into administration to reduce the impact of Chinese goods. To safeguard the domestic manufacturer from the Chinese goods, there is a dire need to change in policies. Apart from this, India seriously needs one infrastructure and effective use of energy and other naturals. Several Indian sectors will be affected if Chinese goods are boycotted, costing of thousands of jobs. India will need to reduce its trade deficit, boost its manufacturing sector before even considering boycott Chinese products. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share. Now kindly subscribe this channel.